Margin rules on the platform allow configuration of initial and maintenance margin rates for both long and short positions through the BO dashboard Margin Rules widget. For long positions, open the BO dashboard widget and go to the Margin Rules tab. Click Add to create a new margin rule. Fill out parameters including account types, position type, part of day, price from, min equity, open positions allowed, initial margin rate, and maintenance margin rate. Click Save to apply changes. For short positions, the platform supports dollar-based margin requirements to meet FINRA regulatory compliance. Margin can be set based on the greater of a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of the market value. The setup process for initial and maintenance margin rates is the same as for long positions. This configuration enables brokers to efficiently manage margin requirements across different positions and account types.